Hello everyone, today topic is Google Trends. So first of all you can search Google Trends and find the website link like this. And I have opened it here. Then I will going to tell you how this Google Trend works and how can we use it for our day-to-day life. So this works based on Google search because most of people I think more than 90% of the world use Google search engine as their search engine. So when people search, they gather that data and analyze what are trending or what are most search items or terms in the world using Google search engine. So then they analyze and represent here. And as I am living in Sri Lanka, this location, so as Sri Lanka, you can change it by click here. You can select your country from here. So I keep it at this, and then here in home tab you can see some tools they have placed here. uh, See, this one is about how people search on their dreams. So if you're interested in that, you can click here and visit there. And likewise there are a lot of things you can find from here, and these are little tutorials. It is okay if you watch this and get some knowledge about Google Trends. I think they are most easy to understand than most of videos. Very simply they explain how this works and tips to use Google Trends. I also doing this, but you can use anything. Then they have these little document like things, and you can walk through on their thing. So first you can visit here. From that page you can know what topics or terms are mostly search, or otherwise you can type the term here, then result will be popping below. Yes, cricket, which is one of favorite sports in Sri Lanka. And here you can see our search term is appear here, and then below is data. So you can add another term and here compare with it, and here you can choose location, the time frame, and which category, and web search or image search, news search, Google Shopping or YouTube search, anything you can select. Then you can go with that. So I keep it that like this. If you want, you can select here and change it worldwide or also. Okay. And time frame you can choose it past hour to like from 2004 anytime. Then you can see in last 12 months that how the trend is going, how many times they search about this. This is not the random time, this is percentage. So this is maximum day, and then this is how it's going. Then it shows how this variety to different from choice to choice. So there are, this is the map of Sri Lanka, so there is showing which province search most of the bigger term for that term. Then related to that there are other topics that people search about cricket. They doesn't search directly cricket but search these terms. Okay. Likewise, if you want to make a YouTube video about trending topics, you can search it and find which are related. Or otherwise, if you want to know something what is trending now, what is happening, or if you doing a YouTube channel on news, or if you hope to do a research on something, this place is good for WS place to know most of data. So this is the things trending now in Sri Lanka within past 424 hours in every category. Ben Stokes, he is also cricketer, so we will search on him also here. Over here you can find these terms. And as also you can see a teach on and most of data. So I hope so this video helpful for you, and let's meet in another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.